Natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in NYMEX territory. We're slightly off of oversold levels with the RSI. We have yet to test the 200 moving average, this green line at a price of $3.61. With the 4 hour chart, we remain in positive MACD but appears to be approaching to negative MACD territory. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD and at overbought levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $11.45, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $13.62, and my stop loss is at $10.81. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $14.35, and my sell target for it is at $12.18, and my stop loss is at $15.15. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day, or week of trading, natural gas has a 25% chance to climb between 0 to 11%, another 25% chance to climb between 11 to 22%. To the downside, it has a 13% chance to fall between 0 to negative 11%, and a 38% chance to fall between negative 11 to negative 22%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.